how to check the water liquid damage indicator LDI on the Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. Now if you go down to the bottom of the phone, use the ejector tool and remove the SIM tray. So pull out the SIM tray and we're going to need to use another flashlight. So here I'll use my phone as a flashlight. Inside here, if you move your flashlight up and down, you should see there is a white stickers in here. Okay, so what you want to do is turn your phone over to the side and then shine the flashlight into the hole. If you move up and down, you can see there is that white stickers right there. Okay, so I'll show it to you right now. Okay, so it should sit right here. You can see right here, it shows this white stickers. If it's white, that means it's good. If it's pinkish or red, that means it has been in contact with water or moisture. For example, if you go to the bathroom and somehow the moisture comes in, and if it's interact with these stickers right here, it will turn pink or red. If you go to the Samsung service center and they see water has entered into this slot right here, and if it is pink, then it would not pass the inspection, and hence they may not fix your phone under warranty. Okay, so here if I move the light up and down, sometimes you can see it better at a certain angle right there. So you can see that white stickers showing right there. So that's what you want to check for, the white stickers. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. So over here you can't actually see it. You need to turn it upside down like that for you to be able to see the white stickers right there. Thank you for watching.